A lot of people always have that zeal to earn money online at the comfort of their homes, but many of them either work for the wrong websites or maybe lack information concerning how to work remotely. Instead, they work for websites that pay them very little amount or websites that do not even pay at all. They end up being scammed of their time, their effort, hard work, and other things, even money. Some websites will even charge you before you get access, to become a remote worker. You understand? Now, in today's video, I want to share with you three best micro remote working apps. Do you understand? When I talk about micro task remote working apps, I mean apps that will pay you to do little tasks. I mean tasks that will not take 1 week, 2 weeks. I mean tasks that can take just 1 day, 2 days. You understand? And you get paid. It even takes minutes. Sometimes, at times it takes hours. And these apps pay very well compared to other websites out there. Do you understand? So I'm going to be giving you three of them. You can choose to work for any of these websites, and trust me, if you are good, you're gonna make something little for yourself. Now, this is just to put up a disclaimer because I know many of you will come or venture into this with the wrong intention. You understand? Or the wrong expectation, rather. Now, you are not getting into these micro task platforms to go and get rich. You're getting into them to make little income, to help you, sort out little bills. You understand? Bills like buying gas, taking care of some, minor finance challenges. You understand? You cannot really live this type of task cannot really replace your full-time job, but you can make as much as $50 per task on these platforms. So on website number one, we have respondent.io. Now, one thing I like about Respondent is that it has a variety of tasks you can participate on. You understand? So now, Respondent.io is a platform that pays you to participate in paid research projects. So researchers come to these platforms and list their projects, and you as a participant, you take part in these projects and then you get paid. You share your opinions, you participate in research projects, and then they pay you. So if you scroll down, you see 4,000 new projects launch every month. That is, they launch 4,000 new projects on this platform every month. This is to tell you that your chances of earning are very high. You understand? Because out of 4,000 projects, you are sure to get at least 10 projects each month. You understand? Now, 3 million participants worldwide. This is to tell you that people find these websites very profitable, and that's why they work for it. That's why they sign up for it. And you can get an average pay of $75 per project. High pay. It will be very rare for you to find, a website that will pay you $75 for one project. And if you scroll down, you can click on view available studies. Now you can see the studies which are available for you to participate on. Now, you can see there are lots and lots of projects for you to work on and get paid. You can see we are doing some research and would love your help. This one is paying $30 and got listed 31 minutes ago. You understand? Now you can see it's titled remote. That means you work from your home. All right. Now you can see seeking consulting sessions on e-commerce ordering. This one pays $200 and it was listed 31 minutes ago. So you just want to look at the description of this project and see if it's something that you can handle. And once you see like, okay, you can handle this, you can just go ahead to apply. And if you're taking, you go ahead to the project and you get paid via PayPal. Now, to become a tester or a participant on Respondent, you can just click on the Get Started button and you click on Become a Participant, right? I want to earn money by participating in user research. Once you click on it, it's going to require you to fill in your first name, your last name, your email, then agree to their terms and conditions. Then you can just click on create account. You can also go ahead to sign up using your Facebook account or your LinkedIn account. Guys, Respondent is one of the highest paying micro task platform currently on the internet. You can also earn money on respondents by doing referrals. Refer your friends, your families on this platform, and you get a percentage of their earnings. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you or not. The second website is a website that will pay you to shape the future of AI. You understand? Now it is called CrowdGen.com. Now it's a website owned by Appen. I know many of you have heard of the company Appen, right? So it's a website owned by Appen, CrowdGen.com. It is a website that will pay you to shape the future of AI. Now, if you go to the official website, which you can find the link in the comment section, you will see get paid to shape the future of AI. And if you scroll ahead, you see earn remotely by completing online tasks that help improve AI, work at your preferred time, and gain real-world hands-on experience in training AI. Now, you see they have over 1 million remote members and over 265 languages, 170 countries, and they've paid over 150 million since 2022. One thing I like about CrowdGen is that they have a variety of payment options. So if you don't have PayPal or you're bothered about having a PayPal account, you can request your cash out using other options like ATM and I think even crypto. All right. Now, to start working on CrowdGen, you just need to click on Earn Remotely Now. All right. So you will see a variety of jobs which are available, and you can go ahead to apply for whichever one you feel like you are capable of handling. So you see like audio quality evaluation smart. So you see you can go ahead, you read the job description and see if it's something you can handle. You see this audio language transcriber. So this one requires to transcribe from Chinese to Taiwanese. You understand? And if you know, okay, you can translate from Chinese to Taiwan, then you can go ahead to apply for this job. And if you are taking, you're going to see everything that comes with this job. All right, the pay package, the time required, and everything. And if you deliver, you get your money ASAP. This company really pays well. The website pays well, and I have a variety of payment proof from different users of CrowdGen. Try out this website today and let me know what you think. If you've watched this video till this point, I want to beg you to please give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel. This is to enable you get notified whenever we drop a new update. The last website we have on our list today is Testerwork.com. Now, this is also a microtask website that will pay you to test apps and websites. All right, if you go to the official website, which you can find the link in the comment section of this video, you will see that it pays users for testing other apps and websites. As you can see, you sign up, you test apps and websites, and you get paid. This is available for almost all countries. So location is not a barrier. Regardless of where you are located, you can become a tester on Testerwork, test apps and websites, and then get paid. This cannot replace your full-time job, but it's going to enable you earn something extra online. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for sticking to the end of this video. If you got value so far, please click on the subscribe button and also make sure you share this video. See you in a subsequent video. Bye.